and sees the rag tree you're trying to climb up because what's up, kitchen gangers? How y'all doing? Welcome to Moya Moy's kitchen, where cooking is love made edible. So for today, guys, we're on another restaurant hop and we're in Kingston, and we're going to make a quick stop at Trio. So it is a grill, bar and wine place location. So let's go in and see what they have to offer. Let's go, guys. Let's go. So Trio is one of Kingston's newest restaurant, bar and lounge, and it is located at 64 Hope Road. Now Sophia and Carlos Max Brown, along with business partner Jason Lee, are the owners of this restaurant. Guys, they offer dining and takeaways, and they also have a wide range on their menu. So let's dine in and see what it's all about. Let's go, guys. So we got to Trio about minutes after 2, about 2:15 thereabouts. So we were within the lunch hour period. You know, it's COVID time and we had to sanitize. Of course, we got our temperature checked and we were seated by our host.
On the reservation?
Now, what you can do is to call in and make a reservation. It will be a little bit easier so that you don't have to stand and wait, and they will definitely reserve your seats for you. Like, that's what we noticed when we walked in.
So you have to go with it. This is the stand for today.
It's Renee for me. Right. So let's talk about location, guys. The lush greenery, it was everything. The clean white lines, the comfortable seatings, the dark natural woods, it created a great atmosphere for dining. I love that we had multiple seating options. So we had seatings on the outside, we had seating under the foyer area, we had seatings at the bar. So you got option. You don't have to worry about that. What I love about this fountain is that it's a great picture area. Like, a lot of persons came in and they were taking their picture here. So nice. I love it.
Something different today.
Yes, guys. A lot of noise and stuff like that. So you'll just be seeing the faces, right?
Yeah, so weird. Really, me can't hold it for dinner. Me can't hold the people. Me not do it.
Sorry, ladies.
Okay, thank you. Really good. Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So we chose fish tea for our appetizer soup of the day. You know I like my soup. You know it. And boy, it was so good. It was the bomb.
Guys, this is the best fish tea I've ever had. No joke. This tastes like heaven. Wow.
Fish tea came out first. Thank you. As for customer service, I must say they were very pleasant and informed. They were well informed servers. They could field our questions, which was very good. So, kudos to customer service at Trio.
Hey, people, the bartender, yeah, bad. Bad.
So we decided that we're going to have the platter, and on the platter we had like spring roll, we had salmon cake, we had jerk chicken kebabs, and there we had something else that had saltfish, not remembering the exact name. But guys, let's talk about the food. It was well seasoned. We had some great flavors coming together in every single bite, and that was delightful. Guys, it was so good. We really enjoyed our meal here. It was the bomb. Thebomb.com. Okay, so you need to try.
This video?
Yes, that's YouTube.
Oh,
This is YouTube.
Hello. My name is Bond, James Bond. Do you recognize me?
Yo, grandpa, good night.
As it relates to the cost, I mean, it was a bit pricey. However, they had a wide range of food items for you to choose from. So it's really up to you with what you want. So yeah. Just a note, guys, we had contactless menus, so it was a quick scan of a QR code and our smartphone became our individual menu. So yeah, that's where we chose our meals from. So that is what you'll get when you arrive to Trio. For our recommendation and overall experience, guys, it is a plus. Like, we definitely recommend Trio just for you to have a great experience. So if you're looking for like birthday celebration, if you want like a Saturday chill, if you just want to, you know, a good vibe, great music, not too crowdy, not too, you know, all over the place, it's an exquisite location. So it was a great experience and we really enjoyed our stay at Trio.
Thank you guys for coming.
You're welcome. Thank you. Alrighty. Ooh, so pretty. Thank you, Trio.
Yeah.
Ooh, the sun. So guys, we drove over the entire Kingston trying to find a location for hopping around, and I'm telling you, oh, we drove around. Go again.
No, it's
You
fine.
can't talk that.
It's fine to make mistakes, eh?
It's fine to make mistakes. Guys, we drove around Kingston. We drove around Kingston trying to find a location for restaurant hopping, and boy oh boy, this one, Trio, It wasn't a disappointment at all. No. Yeah. How was it, Renee?
It was worth the
Driving around. Yeah, for real. No joke.
I tell them I start getting nauseous also.
We made like two restaurants, yeah. 2 stops. One disappointed. 2 of them disappointed. One for location, one for menu. But here we are. With a word.
Moya has a word.
I have a word for y'all. So the word for today, guys, I had an experience a few days ago. Yeah. And
It's the road for me.
a few
We're on the main road, by the way.
Jamaica main road.
Papa St. Andrew. St. Andrew. Papa St. Andrew.
Start over.
Go ahead.
Start over.
You have to make the video phone. Come, go ahead.
Alright guys, so the word for today.
You see, I had an experience. May I ask you if you just continue?
So I had an experience, guys, and this is what happened. So for those persons who would have followed me on social media and all these stuff, if you haven't, follow me on Facebook and Instagram, guys. Go
Yeah.
follow she.
Don't follow me.
So one day I made a post, last week Saturday, I put up a picture, posted a picture, and somebody had the audacity to text me and tell me that you're Y-O-U-R, you're ugly. So I'm like, is this to make me feel away? Cause
And me, you really come back? You really come back me today?
Auntie's the rag tree you're trying to climb up. Because it didn't really affect me in any way, shape or form. And I just want to tell somebody that a lot of times we have persons criticizing, and I mean we all have our own opinions and stuff, and you're always free to share your opinions. However, you don't have to share all opinions to everybody. You understand? You don't always have to tell persons all the time how you feel, especially if it is negative. If you have something negative to say, you can always keep your comment. And I think what really stood out to me is because somebody reached out to me and said that in 2019 they shared a picture on social media, and somebody with a fake page, of course, went on it, do body shaming, how she fat and she ugly and this, that, and all kind of something. And she said from 2019 she don't post no more picture just because of that one comment. So some of the times if you don't know how to handle negative criticism, it can break you. You start doubting yourself if you're beautiful or whatever, because people always want to have an opinion, which is fine, but you don't know how you're tearing down other persons. And I mean, I responded in a nice way and I said, let's remember what me say, but it wasn't negative. And I actually complimented her, telling her how much she is beautiful. I look like she want to wash off her heart with some coconut water or something, because you create one whole fake page if you tell me say me ugly, and see I'm a pretty young girl nice. And folks, I'm telling you, go out, be great, talk positive things about yourself, look in the mirror, tell yourself you're pretty. Don't make nobody try validate, don't let the internet try validate you and who you are, because you're beautiful. I may tell you, like,
Brown skin girl.
that girl did upset me,
Just like pearl.
but I couldn't show how upset I was on the media. And that is what you have to do. You have to know how to accept negativity. You don't bash negativity with negativity. You conquer negativity with positive energy. Okay? So that is my little encouragement to you. Stay positive, You don't always have to share your negative comments, right? And try to bully persons online. Like, why stay behind the camera? Why stay behind the camera and talk bad about person? Why you want to do that? So I mean, when the person reach out to me, me like, that hot. Like, you don't think you're pretty anymore. You don't think you're beautiful anymore because somebody try and validate you on social media. No, queen. Hey, queen. Lift up your head, lift up that chin and smile, and stay positive. Anything to add, Renee?
I think you said it all. I just agree.
If somebody
Just agree.
if somebody say you're ugly, what would be your response?
If somebody said me ugly, like how would I respond to it? Alright. I don't know. But honestly, I don't know. I think I'd have to be in the position to know how would that make me feel and all of that. So I really don't know. But nobody knows.
And this is the first time ever hear somebody ever tell me that. First. Because, I mean, boo-hoo to Nadine. What?
I probably would come off of social media.
I'm telling you. People and their opinions. Save the negative opinions. Save it.
We just have to learn to respond to how to respond to a lot of things.
Yes.
In life, like
To any
generally,
situation at all. Yeah.
How we react to it, how we respond. We just have to learn, because honestly, some people probably that just light up that person. Like, if you're Jamaican,
But
you
them
know, light up
look
me,
here.
like tell you who ugly and stuff like that. So
Oh yeah, I remember what I responded and I said, I wish your opinion mattered. Cause some of us,
I don't like. You don't know the person. You don't know. I don't know who this person is. Like, why would your opinion even matter?
exactly. It don't matter. I wish it mattered. Like, I think that's going to break me. No, boo. We ain't hurt. You understand?
And this is why this internet thing, I was never one to like put myself out there before. I mean, I could have, and persons would have encouraged it, but I guess I have to learn first how me go respond to certain things, because
Negativity and stuff
as I
like
said
that.
before, me kind of different. Me not go just come with your positivity and I say, yo, you're beautiful too. No, my first reaction, because how I am naturally, me go on,
Yeah.
get at you. So
And trust me, a lot of persons went over her page for cuss her out. I mean, like, she'll go like, all I something with Tagarna, she go like. As you know, we're on the road to 5,000 subscribers, guys. And I am asking you guys to make this happen by the end of April. Help us get there. Let us celebrate our 1-year anniversary with 5,000 or more subscribers. And guys, if you have not done so, don't forget to
like, share, comment, and subscribe.
subscribe, man. Press the little red button and zoodoo. And guys, that's it for today, and thank you so much for joining in. Don't forget to tell a friend to tell another friend, so that friend can tell another friend, you know what I mean? But until then, goodbye.